to invite Madam Leela Reddy to give her concluding remarks and vote of thanks for all the participants and the dignitaries who have participated. Madam, over to you.
Thank. Good evening, all of you. There are so many professors and so many professions, but my profession is totally different. I'm a mother. My profession is mother. So, mother is always concerned to their children. Like that, I'm always concerned about environment protection and environment. Uh, CGR completed 10 years for this Earth Day. We completed 10 years. In 10 years, we conducted so many activities. Plantation, 3.5 million plantation with 11 lakh government school children in 4,000 schools, 50 green villages, and Greens Alliance Conservation of Eastern Ghats. Eastern Ghats conservation के लिए June 5th same day 9 years back we Justice Subhashan Reddy inaugurated that GRACE. We completed 9 years for GRACE. We brought the environment outlook on Eastern Ghats. We world class book. We brought that book, and now we are planning to coming 10 years. We हम लोग ने पूरा एक प्रोग्राम बना दिया 9 पॉइंट्स का. उसमें मेन जो इम्पोर्टेंट प्रोग्राम है वो अर्थ सेंटर इन एवरी विलेज एंड अर्थ लीडरशिप प्रमोट करने के लिए वो जियो स्पिरिट कैंप्स लगा के वो स्टूडेंट्स को यूथ को सबको मोटिवेट करके वो अर्थ लीडरशिप बढ़ाने के लिए हम लोग कोशिश करें. ये ब्रीफली अबाउट आवर CGR. And coming to today's program, distinguished speakers, participants, students and others in this webinar. First of all, my best wishes to all on this World Environment Day. It's indeed a privilege and honor for me to express gratitude and thanks on this important occasion. It's an important day for Law Center, University of Delhi and Council for Green Revolution, environmental organization that we have hosted this national level webinar on the most important theme about the environmental sustainability in post-COVID era. I'm happy that this event is graced by distinguished speakers and others. I'm thankful our beloved Professor Purushottam Reddy sir, who has been a constant guiding force and inspiration. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank Sri Professor Sarbit Kaur, Patron Law Center, for her support and cooperation this program. With your cooperation and collaboration, this program materialized and successful. I thank Dr. Pushpa Kumarji, Faculty of Law, for moderation and cooperation in organizing this program. It's my pleasure to appreciate and thank all the students from law school and other institutions who joined here. I wish you will be the sentinels for a healthy future. I believe you become the earth leaders for a greener world. I would like to thank and Dr. Vikesh Ram Tirupati, Mrs. Sukanya Singha and Mr. Pavan Kumar for their wonderful coordination and hard work to make this program happen in a successful manner. I thank Hina Ilyas Advocate and student coordinators Praful Sharma, Praveen, Manek, Avantika, Praful Chandal, Ayush and others. Thanks again for one and all for the making this conference a success. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Very much, ma'am. Thank you very much. It is such a wonderful opportunity for all of us to come together and discuss, on this World Environment Day.